guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. My name is Ekari and I am here to show you guys how I am going to use the oil that I made in the other video. If you haven't watched that video, I made a Chebe oil, and this oil is supposed to promote hair growth, and it's an experiment that I'm going to be trying to do for the next 6 months. So if you are not up to date with this video or videos like this, that's what we're doing today. So I made oil, and if you want to see how to make this oil, I'll link a video above so that you can try and make it. This is Chebe oil mixed with other herbs like amla, rosemary, and as well as what else, fenugreek. So I wanted to try this because I'm on the way of trying to retain length. It's not all about the length, but more of a healthy hair journey. But I mean, who doesn't enjoy the length? Who doesn't? So if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video so you don't miss videos like this. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So recently I really kind of got rid of all the bunching in my hair. I really wanted to have more of the thinner locks or thinner look for the locks, and I just thought that the best way was to braid the ends and make sure that they're not, you know, bunched up or fluffy or whatever, you know. I didn't know that it was a word that people use until someone said bunching. So now we're calling it bunching. So at the same time, I just wanted to share with you guys how I got rid of the bunching. Of course, I still have thick locks and whatnot, but I mean, hey, I love this better. I'm going to show you how I'm going to be hydrating, or the routine I'll be using. So I'm using this product, which is my own product, which I hand make at home. It's a hydrating spray created for locks. I've just added ingredients that work well for locks and something that I sell on my website. If you're in Ireland, make sure to check out that website so that you can purchase this. If you're in LOC'S, if you're not in LOC'S, there's also a hair spritz that you guys can use. So I'm combining with this oil, which I have. This is not for sale. This is something that I just DIY'd at home. But if you're looking for lock oil or hair growth oil, I also have on my website. So we just jump right into the video, and I'll start by spraying the hair first. So first of all, I have to unlock this. Sorry guys, and shake, and hold on. So I start by hydrating the hair. And the other thing I wanted to say is that we have to make sure that your hair don't get dry, and that whatever product you use has slip or slippage, whatever words people use. English is not the first language, guys. Most of these words I'm learning right here on YouTube as well, but I'm just trying to show you guys how I hydrate my locks. And this is the routine I will be following. So as you can tell, we are, I think, almost fully hydrated. All right. You see that, sis? Oh, that feels good. Now, so you can actually tell that there's a bit of stretch on them right now, a bit of length as well, and you just know that they're fully hydrated. We're not hydrating to the point of soaking. We're not hydrating the point of soaking the lock. We're hydrating just to get the lock enough moisture. I use this easy applicator bottle because it's easier to just apply the oil. And what I will do is untwist it and apply every week. Every week, I think I'm going to go with every 2 times a week, or we'll see how it goes. But after a month, I'll let you know how long Remember, this is an amla oil. You can tell at the bottom, if you can see, that there's just a bit of darkness. I think I would shake that first just to make sure that there was no residue, but it's just the darker part of the oil was at the bottom. I don't know if that's visible. So just shake. If you've made this, just shake it first, and then we'll open it. Then we can use it. I just like the smell of it, the scent. So I'll start by applying. I don't have to do partings. That feels really good, guys. Like, I can actually feel my scalp kind of, I don't know if it's the peppermint oil or the rosemary essential oils, but I really feel some tingling sensation on the scalp. So it feels great. I just hope I won't be scratching the whole day. Well, we'll see how it goes. Guys, when I say I can feel my scalp lifting, yep, if that's even possible. This is the amount I've used just in one go, so I've really used a great amount, and I think that for this week that's enough, because you don't want to use too much product. And what I've done for the ends is just make sure I feel like there's enough oil on my hands. As you can see, it's not too oily, but it's enough to just spread towards the locks, you know, so that your locks are not dry. And in case you're trying to lock in moisture, you can just squeeze some on your palm, rub, and literally, you know, I think I just lost the lock. And literally just rub on your hair. But I really can feel it, yo. So pretty much that will be the routine on how I will be looking after these locks, yo. And I really like how my locks feel right now, and I can't lie, I really look forward to the review. But make sure you make enough, because if this is the amount I have used in this go, in this time, that means I need a bit more. This could last me maybe 4 weeks, and I'll make more, and I'm experimenting this for 6 months. What I like about this is that I actually can feel, you know, like when you've used a sulfur product. Growing up, I remember when you used the sulfur product, you'd feel your scalp kind of, woo! I just don't know how to describe it, but I really pray that it's not too sensitive for my liking. But I will be back to show you guys in a month's time how it's going. But this is a routine that I will follow to hydrate and lock in moisture. This is what I do. Make sure you use your oil so that you avoid dry locks. And then I'll show my night routine in another video. Alright, so before I continue going on and on and on, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you have any questions, remember to ask, or, you know, just say what you have to say. And at the same time, if you have any suggestions, I'm very open to suggestions. I look forward to hearing from people. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for tuning in and hope you enjoyed that video. I'll just show you a 360 on how the hair looks before I go, and hopefully you guys think or like that my locks are now juicy, you know. So that's close up after moisturizing and oiling. Okay, so until next time, bye.